Hey y'all, welcome to my blog. This is me heading out to get my nails done. I go to Coco Nails in New York City. I didn't really get to film a lot because the lady was a little mean. She was fussing at me about filming, but and I went with a simple French manicure. I like to keep my nails short for work and stuff like that. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Ariana. I am a jewelry entrepreneur. I have my own jewelry business and I am a stylist, but that's not why you're here. You are here for this maintenance vlog. Here's the bus now. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm about to get my hair done in the Bronx. I'm a little nervous because it's a different stylist, but my regular stylist wasn't available. But stay tuned to see how my hair turns out. Hey y'all, I just got my hair done. She killed my ponytail. It was crazy long. And it was so fast and she was so professional. I didn't want to film like in there because it was in her home and it was my first time meeting her, and I don't know how people feel about that, but she killed it. Like, she took such a good time doing my hair. Like, she took her time. Now I'm off to get a wax. So I just got a wax. This place called Uni-K. I really like how clean and everything, how professional it is. My first time coming here because my normal wax lady doesn't work on Mondays. She's very efficient, very clean, very quick, but thorough. I'm pretty satisfied. It's one little spot she missed that I can just get at home, but at the same time, I'm pretty satisfied. So now we are off to get my feet done. See you soon. So then I literally went across the street to Vada's Spa. I got a gel pedicure, white toes. I didn't film it because I forgot I started relaxing, but thank you for watching. Bye.